Hi, my name is Heidi, and I am a sophomore that is interested in healthcare and cosmetic science. So, these two interests made me curious about how reading an ingredient list from a cosmetic product can be so confusing. So, this is why I made DermaSafe AI. This is essentially an application that can help users better understand the ingredients inside their products, especially because some people with prescribed medications, those medications can clash with the ingredients inside your skincare. And that could cause some harmful side effects, which means it's important to know what's in those products. So, DermaSafe AI, let's just get into it. So, this application first begins with the user inputting all their preferences. This is just to help make a more personalized profile because the AI will use this to give you the best results. I'll just go ahead and put something random. There we go, submit profile. And on this, you can update it anytime if you've made any mistakes. So with my application, there are 4 features. The first one is safety analysis. Here you can write the name of your product or paste the ingredients manually just by searching it online, something like that. And then I'll just put the example. Here we go. And then once you search the product ingredients, the AI will input all the ingredients from that product onto here, and then you can run the comprehensive safety analysis. Here, there will be a result that pops up showing whether this product is good or not. See, it's a safety score out of 100, and this comes out as 100%, which means it's a very good product and safe, low risk. Usually, when you have a product that has some flagged ingredients, they will come up here, but since this one doesn't have any, there are no conflicts. And here we have a graph just for the user to better understand how great this product is. And then we have best products for my skin type based on what I just put here, and then ingredients to avoid. Next, we have the second feature, ingredient comparison. This is where you can put 2 different products, and then the AI will compare those two, tell you which ones are unique for what. Let's just do the example. Yeah, so here it can show the shared ingredients and what ingredients are unique to which product, which can help you narrow down which product you want to buy, for example. Next, we have the routine builder where you can input the products you already have at home, and then the AI will give you an order such as, oh, you can put this in the morning, you can put this in the evening. Oh, these two clash. Oh, this one isn't compatible with your skin type. So this is just to help you organize your routine. Or you can build a new routine from scratch by showing your concerns. For example, reduce acne. And there we go, a whole routine. And lastly, we have an AI chatbot so you can ask any questions anytime. Yeah, that's my application. I hope you really enjoyed this, and the purpose of this is just to help users make better, safer skincare decisions. Thank you.